Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Those who love plants, have a knack of gardening or keeping a few plants in their spaces surely understand the importance of money plant. For all novice plant lovers and gardening lovers, this is a guide that describes how to take care of money plant in hot summer season. The basic rule is to hydrate the plant's leaves, stem, roots, basically all the plant. Money plant is one of the easy growing plants and it has many beliefs related to it. You keep on watching how my mom takes care of the plant. Meanwhile, I'll tell you all the beliefs. First, let me describe the money plant. As you must have seen, a money plant has a large heart-shaped leaves with a leathery and shiny surface. Some beliefs are that the money plant purifies air, reducing stress and anxiety, bringing prosperity and good luck, spreading positivity, and mending broken relationships are a few benefits that come to a person's life along with the money plant. After properly cleaning the roots, my mom is cutting it into small pieces. When you cut, be aware that it must be cut below the nodal point. You can grow your money plants in water as well as in soil. But it is said that the soil is the best place to grow money plant. If you are growing your money plant in soil, there is something that you need to know. Money plants prefer well-drained soil. You can choose potting soil that have high perlite content, or you can grow your plant well in a mixture of river sand and normal potting soil. To take care of money plant in water terms, you don't need to bother much. Watering needs of any plant depends on the seasons throughout the year. In winter season, you can water your money plant once every 7 to 10 days. But in northern India, it has extreme climate, so you need to water regularly. And if possible, you should always bath your plant in rainwater. The rainwater has a lot of minerals and it helps the plant to become big and bushy. So you can technically say rainwater acts as an fertilizer. And for sunlight, you need to know that money plant prefers low light conditions. Money plant don't need that much of fertilizer. But if you still wish to give fertilizer, you can give some rice water or kitchen waste compost. If you want to know how to make lots of homemade fertilizer, you can check our channel's playlist. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.